This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
What is the difference between git add and git commit command?
Well, so git add, once I actually add my code on my e-commerce platform, the new test case I convert, and the git, once I write all the code, end of the day, I just say git add space dot means I'm adding all this so that all my local changes is actually accepted by the git. And git commit means all the changes I'm planning to push to my git repo.